Alright, good evening everyone. Good evening classmates. For today's video, it's all about career plan.
Romix 23 TV.
I made this video kay naami assignment sa among klase sa plumbing. So ang among assignment is we will be making a video about sa career plan. So I have here four ka mga plano. So number one, to be able to finish my NC1 plumbing. So akong plan, of course, na man niya siya ang NC1. Yeah. Number 2, proceed to NC2. So pag naay opportunity after aning NC1, so mag-proceed ko sa NC2. Kaya kung mag-apply ka, so pangitaan ka o NC2. Number 3, apply in establishments. So pag naay na po yung opportunity, apply ko o ng kumpanya. Yang last, number 4, take registered master plumbing exam. So mag-take og RMP, registered master plumbing. So na siya akong mga plan, akong plano, akong career plan. So thank you very much. God bless us all.